Okay, let go. You wanna fight? You. Yeah, Kaden. Yo, what the f is up, YouTube? What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video. Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm famous. Yo, yo, yo. Gotta get was that a good Jacob impression? Yeah, just say. That was pretty decent. This guy's falling real quick. Can we just? Whoa. Yeah, dude, cut it off. Yeah, I would love to see you with the mullet. Let's go. Yeah. No, absolutely not. We gotta get Chandra a mullet ASAP. Oh God. Hey, we're hiking down to the waterfall now. We got this beautiful road to hike down. We got like a 2-3 mile hike ahead of us, and then we will be at this sweet waterfall, and we're gonna session all day long. Let's go have some fun! Let's go! Check this out, ready? What was that? Hold that guy down.
There's a bowl like in the hand, don't you like smoke it with your coffee, right? You gotta fight them.
Oh! Yeah! You're golden.
Don't do that.
Hammered to the point where he's sticking his head out into the rain, so just his head is in the pouring rain. 30 to 35.
Poof! We're at a new waterfall. Time to go do some more jumps, my friend. Woo! Ah!
Oh, the sight of you